Yeah, hold on. What's up, guys? So we're here today, or tonight, I should say. We got some fireworks ready, right? We got, what's one of these? Anywho, let's get on. Emerald City. Woo! Get hit?
What? Yeah, it's the breeze. What is wrong with you?
Alright, die. My Roman Atwood. Do my Roman Atwood. So guys, here are the Roman Atwoods. We have the two, but I took the things off. Yes, Roman Atwood. It's time for the Roman Atwood. Yes, this is going to be awesome. Ready? Here we go. They just shoot up, remember. Told you that's all it does. That's the Roman Atwood right there.